about 10 feet away from the car. It's going to be pretty loud, but then it quiets out. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to start the car now. Going to get quieter. It's going to get really quiet. So that is what the exhaust sounds like when it's warmed up. We're down here at Ed Williams's Wicked Performance, and the guys here are terrific. I must say that Ed and his team, this is the only place I'd come to have my car worked on.
Inside is not bad, no.
It's not bad at
With the
all.
windows up.
Look at this. The windows up. And now we'll test it with the windows down. See what happens now. I'm hard pressed to hear anything.
That's not bad.
But now when we shift down to third gear or second gear, you can hear it. But it's quiet, still quiet. I'll shift up to fifth gear and it's like tooting along, and I'll put it back with the windows up. And it's nice and quiet. The thing is with this exhaust, it's able to cancel out the noise of the exhaust when you're lightly touching the gas. Now when you step on the gas and give it a little pizzazz, then it's going to show you some sound. And, you can hear just a little bit of it right now. Let me get onto it a little bit. Fourth gear. Get on it a little bit. See, if you do rev it, you can hear it. It's nice. So now you're probably wondering, why the heck did you choose this exhaust system? And I'm going to tell you why. First of all, I really, really like the system. And secondly, it works the way I think the exhaust should work. Now, let me explain to you a little bit about that. First of all, it's made in America. Now that's very, very important because American-made products are the products I'm buying. I'm not buying anything else. I'm buying American-made products. That's it. So the next thing is if you step on it, it makes a sound. And if you don't step on it, it doesn't make much of a sound at all. And with the windows up and the windows down, I'm going to tell you what my wife says about the system. She was somewhat doubtful about this system. She was not excited about getting this new system. She was pleasantly surprised and won over when she heard how quiet it was inside with the windows either up or down. It was very, very quiet until I gave it some gas and stepped on it. This is exactly what you want in an exhaust system, and this is exactly what my wife wanted in an exhaust system. Perfect. So everything worked out great. I really, really like the sound. I think it's fairly priced. There's no drone at all whatsoever, and there's no check engine lights. When you step on it, you hear it. And when you want to lightly touch the gas pedal, it's going to cruise along nicely. And you're not going to hear any sounds coming either with the windows up or the windows down. It's really amazing. I don't know how they did this, but they've produced a winner, and I really, really like winners, and I really, really like this exhaust. So kudos to all the people at AWE, and kudos to this Touring exhaust system. That's what I have, the Touring exhaust system, and it works great, 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 great. And I'm 100% pleased. There you have it.